Hmm. Say hi. Look. Hmm. Tayo. Hmm.
Hello.
Hmm.
Hello. I'm gonna go biking.
Hmm.
Oh, please. Hello, please.
Doon tayo dito sa may grass. O dito sa ano, sa babaw. Ito. May park. Hmm? Dito kala Tito Dennis mo? Ha? Hindi, flat lang. Dito oh. Yeah. Break. Test ang imo brake. Is it working? Go. Go. Careful, may oh. Si Lola oh. Guys, oh.
Hello, Papa.
Slowly lang.
Hello.
No, say thank you. Thank you. Brake. Oh, come this way. You okay? Go. Dito. Oh. Okay, go. Ha?
But how am I supposed to go home when that car blocking?
This way. Follow kay Papa. Oh, my car is coming. Slowly lang. Slowly go that side. No, draw. Now, there you go. Oh, go forward. Go. Then ma-cross ta da later on. Tayo dirito. Da, sige go. Go. Oh, dito go sa other side. Cross sa other side.
Candy's not melting. Candy's not melting.
No, sige, bite lang, ma-melt na. I-bite mo. Diba, nice siya, namit siya. Go, sige.